rude duck tried to prank a sleeping dog, but it backfired big time. The duck saw the dog peacefully snoring in his little house and thought, let's have some fun. So he sneaks in with a firecracker, lights it, and throws it right inside the dog's house. But the dog wasn't as sleeping. He wakes up instantly, grabs the duck, and tosses inside the house. Boom! The house explodes. Now the duck's chasing the dog all over the yard for revenge. Don't forget to subscribe and share for more funny animal stories.